Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, a software that mimics a mobile device on your computer. Common choices include BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox Player, each offering unique features. Selecting one that matches your computer's specifications ensures a smooth gaming experience, so check those requirements. This initial choice sets the foundation for playing your favorite game. Once you have chosen your emulator, download its installer directly from the official website. This step is crucial to avoid any unofficial or potentially harmful versions. Launch the downloaded file and meticulously follow the prompts presented on your screen. Installation typically takes only a few minutes, requiring about 4 to 10 gigabytes of disk space. Remember to verify your computer meets the minimum system requirements before starting. After installing your emulator, open it up and log in using your Google account details. This connects your emulator to the vast world of Android applications. Next, locate the Google Play Store icon within the emulator's interface, which looks familiar. Search for Brawl Stars in the search bar, then click Install. The game will download and install, mirroring the process on a typical smartphone. After selecting your new preferred store, it is critical to save your changes. Look for a prominent button, often labeled Save Changes or Update Preference, and click it. Many systems will then display a confirmation message, indicating that your selection has been successfully processed. Double-check your home page or shopping cart to ensure the new store is now active. This final step secures your updated preferences for all future interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.